This video provides step-by-step instructions for managing your user account settings. To manage your security profile, click the drop-down next to your name in the top right corner and select Manage My Security Profile. If you need to update your password, select Edit next to the password field. Enter your new password, then re-enter it to confirm. Ensure your password is strong and meets the criteria listed below. When you're ready, click Submit. If you wish to activate two-factor authentication, click the drop-down next to your name in the top right corner and select Manage My Security Profile. Toggle the switch next to multi-factor authentication. Enter your phone number and select Verify Me by Phone. Select your preferred contact method for verification, either text or call, then click Continue. A verification code will be sent to you. Once you receive the code, enter the code and click Continue to complete the verification process. To update your notification preferences, click the drop-down next to your name and select Notification Preference Center. Use the toggle switches to turn email notifications on or off according to your preference. Then click Save to apply your changes. To log out of the portal, ensure you are on the home page. If you're not, click on the MUT Home tab to return to the home page. Click the drop-down arrow next to your name and select Sign Out.